This is why you need to master these software skills to succeed in your career. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, Microsoft Office. From Word for writing reports to Excel for crunching numbers, these tools are a must. Then there's Google Workspace. Think docs, sheets, and slides. Collaborate with ease and impress your team. Next, get a grip on project management tools like Trello or Asana. These help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. And don't forget communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. They keep you connected and make teamwork a breeze. For creative roles, Adobe Creative Suite is key. Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign can take your projects to the next level. And if you're into data, learning SQL or Python can give you an edge. So, there you have it. Master these software skills and you'll be well on your way to job success. Happy learning!